Welcome to Connex. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of premiumizing your Syncler app for the ultimate streaming experience. Hit the return or back button on your remote. Scroll down to Settings and open it. On the pop-up box on the right, navigate to Accounts and access it. Next, scroll down to Premiumize and open it. Click on the plus add symbol to generate a pop-up box with a code inside it. Share the code with your Connex service member to link your Syncler Premium account. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and remember to use the Connex web link in the description for more information.